Fine. Let me talk with you a couple of minutes. Fine. So before starting the session, how are you guys? Fine, right? How the session is going on actually? Good, right? You are able to understand, I guess. Don't tell forcefully. You're able to understand, I guess, right? If anyone is not understanding, connect with me, sir. I can help you. It's not like I'm not like a CM and PM, but even I'm that much busy, I can give my time actually. Try. If you want, you can test actually. If you're having any issues, sir, in terms of technical doubts actually. Don't call and don't tell like, what is the lunch? These are all, no non-technical discussion. If you need any career guidelines also, I can help you. What do you mean by career guidelines? Either you are a fresher, you're looking for the job started actually, and I will help you how to get it that one. Uh, you done graduation, a kind of some 2 years back, 3 years back. In between, you done some activity, you done some job which we won't like actually, but you have taken a nice decision to learn that. Sir, learning data science is really good decision. If I'm in your position, no doubt at all, I will learn data science only. Assuming that if I keep my, leg in your shoe, actually, I mean to say that if I am in your position, like I done my graduation 4 years back, 5 years back, in between, I worked something like a small job actually. Then according to the IT industry, I definitely learn data science only. You also in same position, connect with me. Connect with me, but whenever you are calling, you no need to tell your name. Tell you are from Naresh IT and tell your batch time actually. What is the time? You remember, right? What is the time? 5:30. Good. So let us continue. Let me talk with online team also. Online team, can you hear me, sir? Not only online team, offline team. Online team, how are you? For your kind information, uh, how this data science will be, I'm sure data science is difficult. Let me tell you, data science is really difficult. But one of my student, he's from BCom distance. He's from what exactly, sir? BCom. He done graduation distance actually. Now he is working as a data scientist. A BCom distance guy is working as a data scientist. I'm sure everyone can do, right? So keep in mind that. And only one thing help you, sir. What is that one? Very good, man. You got it actually. I remember that word. That word I will pronounce many number of times. Practice is like a breathe. How we cannot stop breathing actually. Don't stop. Practice. Please continue. Let us start for today's session. Let me stop my overaction actually. Yeah. Yeah. The running notes pattern will be, I would like to specify the date and topic name as well. This running notes would be helpful for you. Can I say that? Yes, this is 8 to, we are going to close. Previously we done with functions part number 1. Uh, Yesterday we already started part 2 also. Today the agenda will be, in another 15 to 20 minutes, we are going to close that part number 2 and we will enter into new topic. Topic name is called as a module. Topic name is called as what exactly? Module. And after module, the next topic name is a package. Package I can cover later. I will tell you once end of the Python I can cover later actually. Now let us move. Sir, since a long time we read the error names. Can we read all errors actually? Come and tell me. Very good. I need bigger sound, guys. Please. Hold on. Read the function names. Print, type, range, input, in, float, list, tuple, set, dictionary. Very good. Recently, did we get any other functions? Yesterday, I covered one function. What is that function? Any idea? Hmm? Someone told actually. Just yesterday, I covered one function. What is that function? Any idea? Yeah, very good, boss. Written is a keyword actually. Some function. What function actually? Some function. Right, good. So to sum all, to sum, to sum the values. Very good. And maybe today we are going to discuss on an average 3 functions actually. Get ready to understand. What are those functions? I will cover you step by step. Please focus on this session. Yeah. Port number, I would like to say 13, 2. Good. All right, sir. Let us continue. If anyone joined just now online team, a cool warning from my side actually. Kindly please be joined at right time so that you can connect very well actually. Yes, good. In a functions part number 1, I made it very clearly. What is a formal arguments? What is a actual arguments? Am I right? Good. So in Python programming language, there are mainly 4 types of arguments, sir. There are mainly how many types of arguments actually? 4 types of arguments. Damn sure enter your question. Please focus on this one. The very first one is a positional argument. What is the first one? Positional argument. And second one is a keyword argument. And third one is a default arguments. And fourth one is variable length argument. What is the next one actually? Variable length argument. Also called as a star argument. Also called as what exactly? Yeah, let me tell you, fifth one also is available. The fifth one is called as a keyword variable length actually. Fifth one is what exactly? Keyword variable length argument. But frankly speaking, we are not using in real time. We are not using in real time so that you can ignore actual, right? I know what to cover, what to ignore. I know very well, being a real time experience actually. Good. When it comes to positional argument, let me give a small snippet, small code actually, so that you can understand very clearly. Let me read. The first one is M1 function, and here first parameter. Now let us just try to print, and let me just try to print a value is. Let me print a, sir. Let me print what exactly? A. M1 of 10. What is that one? M1 of 10. This is called as what exactly? No, positional argument. This is called as what exactly, sir? Positional argument. I hope you know very well. Why? Because yesterday we already covered these are all example. Good. This is called as a positional argument. Let me take the same example. Let me take the same example. Instead of directly 10, if you know the name of the parameter, if you know what exactly name of the parameter, you can use name of the parameter to provide the value. You can use what exactly, sir? Name of the parameter to provide the value. This concept name is called as a, can somebody help me? Keyword argument. What is that one, sir? Keyword argument. I hope you understand. Very good. Now the next example. Let me take the same example. What is the third one? Any idea, sir? Yeah, good. The third one is a default argument. What do you mean by default argument? You know, hello, Daniel. While creating the function, while creating what exactly? Creating the function, we are providing the parameter. You are providing what exactly? For that parameter, can I provide the value directly? Can I provide the value directly? You can provide, sir. This topic name is called as a default argument. This topic name is called as what exactly? Default argument. Please, for every topic you need, sir. So this is the coding actually, not only theory. For every point, one example you need to learn actually, at least one example, 2 to 3 examples you can slowly by slowly. Please focus on whenever you are delivering at least one point. For that point, mapping one example is really good actually. Let me tell you, even I'm going for I'm attending interviews in my free time. The best pattern for giving interview is, if someone is asking any question, always explain one example that is a real time scenario actually. Why? Because you know, whenever you are someone is asking some theoretical question, if you are explaining in a program, that is really good pattern actually. That is seriously very good. Guys, are you getting? Yeah, good, sir. Now, I would like to say this is what exactly? Default argument. Good. And what is the next one, sir? Any idea? Yeah, variable length argument. DEF M1. You know, here I am providing this one actually. Let me print a value. Take the same thing. Hold on. M1 of 10 valid. Am I right? M1 of what exactly? 10. Sir, what is this one, sir? Valid or invalid? Positional argument, I would like to say valid. M1 of something like a hello. Valid or invalid? Valid. Very good. Now tell me M1 of 10 comma 20. 10 comma what exactly? Do you think valid actually? Invalid. Invalid. Next one. M1 of 10 comma 20 comma 30. Do you think valid? Invalid. But you know, invalid actually. But I want all these scenarios should be valid. I want all these scenarios should be what exactly? Valid. Then what is the topic name we need to use? Variable length argument. One more time. Variable length argument. Simple. Now just try to come here. Take the same code actually. You know. Yeah. Here just what I need to provide, sir? star. Now, where are all invalid? Those things will become what exactly, sir? Yeah. Now this topic name is called as a keyword argument. What is the topic name? Keyword argument actually. Keyword, so I'm sorry, man. Variable, still I'm in sleeping mode, I guess. Variable length argument actually. I'm sorry. Variable length argument. And one more thing, not this one. This topic is called as a default argument. I mean, you should know on which syntax we need to call actually. Team, are you getting? Last time read everyone. What is the first one? Positional arguments, keyword arguments, default arguments, variable length argument. All right. Then immediately I just need to enter into one area. What is the topic next? Next topic name, sir, very, very important. Please focus. The next topic name is called as a lambda function. What is the next topic name actually? Lambda function, also called as a anonymous function. Also called as what exactly? Anonymous function. Sir, important, sir. Interview point of view important, and we are using this one in a real time. Please focus, and very interesting topic actually. Good. Online team, can I get a response, sir? Please. Now I'm entering into the actual topic. Almost 10 minutes we spent for revision. Go back to the Python. Part 2. Yeah, yes, sir. These are all we covered. 1 minute. All right. Now let us continue. Sir, let me tell you. First of all, directly I will not enter into the topic. I will LAM BDA. LAM what exactly, sir? BDA, lambda function. Directly, I will not enter into the topic. Let me give a small quick introduction so that you will get a very clear picture actually. Let me tell you. Sir, in Python programming language, we can create a function. We can create a function in two ways. You know how many ways actually? Two ways. One more time, how many ways? First one we already know. What is the first one? By using def keyword. By using what exactly? Next one is one more alternative would you have by using lambda keyword. By using what keyword, sir? Lambda keyword. Lambda. Please focus on this one. Lambda keyword. Whenever you're talking about the Python function, I mean to say that in a Python programming language, function is a concept. In a Python function, we can create in a two ways. I will tell you. And which scenario we supposed to go for which one, boss? I will tell you. In function, we can create in a how many ways actually? Only these two. There is no other way actually. Yeah. First one is by using EF keyword. Next one is by using lambda keyword. It's a very good. Now it's a right time. What is a lambda? I can explain actually. But in real time, we are using this one, sir. In real time, we are using this one. This is very rare scenario, but this is very important for the interview point of view. That is very important for what exactly? Interview point of view. Team, are you getting? Good. Now let us continue. Sir, please observe this. Assuming that I have created a function. I have created what exactly? Function. I created a function by using def keyword. What keyword actually? Def keyword. Then, what is the purpose of this one? I will tell you. I have created a one more function. I have created a one more function by using what exactly? Lambda keyword. What keyword, sir? Lambda keyword. What is the purpose of this one? You need to understand. Right. Sir, if you create a function by using def keyword, that is called as a reusable component. That is called as what exactly? Reusable. Reusable in the sense, create one time, you can call any number of times. I am repeating again. Now just try to come here. Create one time, call any number of times. Call what exactly? Any number of times. Any number of what exactly? Times actually. Can somebody tell me? You created a function with what keyword actually? Def keyword. If you create a function with def keyword, that function is called as a reusable component. The advantage with that function is a reusable. What do you mean by reusable, sir? Once create actually, you can call everywhere, wherever you want. Hey, can I call 10 times actually? You can call. Can I call 20 times actually? You can call. I will tell you why 10 times we need to call, why 20 times we need to call. I can tell you actually. But let me come to the point. You created a function with what keyword, sir? Sir, this is only for one time purpose. This is only for what exactly? One time. If you create a function, sorry for saying that is not a reusable component. That is what exactly? Not a reusable component. If you want, I will give a small fun example. What is a fun example? Sir, once I done my session, I used to go to my home and I will ask a coffee to my wife actually. And my wife will give in a steel glass. My wife will give in what exactly? Sir, the purpose of steel glass is what exactly? Can somebody tell me? Very good, man. Then I go to cafeteria. If I go to cafeteria, actually, I'm asking a coffee. Where they will give any idea? Paper cup, actually. Where they will give? Paper cup. Do you think paper cup is reusable, sir? Gone case, actually. Am I right or not? I mean to say that this is one time purpose. But don't give this example during interview. I mean to say that, DEF means I can say steel glass actually. Lambda means it is something like a paper cup actually. Don't give that kind of example. This is just for fun. Good. Now let us move on to the discussion. Conclusion of the story. What you need to understand is we can create a function in two ways actually. What are those ways, sir? First one is a lambda. Next one is, I'm sorry, man. First one is a DEF. Next one is a lambda. If you create a function with DEF, that is called as a reusable. If you create a function with lambda, that is not a reusable. That is what exactly? Not a reusable. Did you understand this discussion? Good. Now let me enter into the discussion. Yeah, lambda function. Now I'm going to start actual discussion. The very first point, lambda is a keyword in Python. Lambda is what exactly? Keyword in Python. I'm repeating again. In Python programming language, we do have a keywords topic. In total Python, there are 35 keywords. Would you have, sir? How many keywords actually? Among the 35 keywords, one of the keyword name is called as a lambda. Every keyword has its own purpose actually. Every keyword. Let us take a return keyword. The purpose of return keyword is return the value. Let us take a def keyword. The purpose of def keyword is just to create a function. Same thing like that. Whenever you are talking about the lambda, by using lambda, we can create function. We can create what exactly? Function. Okay. I hope you understand the purpose actually. I hope you understand what exactly? Purpose. Sir, lambda function also having another name. What is that name, you know, sir? Anonymous function. What is that name actually? Anonymous. Nameless function actually. Anonymous function. Now, let me drink water. 1 minute. Online team, are you following, sir? Can I get a response, please? Arati, what is the use? Sir, I will cover. Please hold on. I will show you practically. Somebody is asking a question. What is the use of lambda actually? I will tell you, sir. I will tell you. Now, I am entering into the actual discussion. Please focus on this one. Sir, the program, what I am going to write, important. This example you cannot get from Google actually. If I say you cannot get it, I'm sure you cannot get it actually. In front of you, let me write it two functions. The two functions names will be, tell me if few of your names actually Rohit. I have created a function. My function name is what exactly? Rohit. Yeah, I would like to say created with def keyword. Created with what exactly? Am I right or not? Good. Now let me create one more function. One more function name is what exactly? Tell me. One name, tell me, sir. Balu, or else Chiru, or else Pavan. Any name you can give, sir. Print of created with what exactly, sir? Def keyword. I would like to say Rohit function created with what exactly? Def keyword. This is what exactly? Chiru function created with what exactly, sir? Def keyword. Now just try to come here. If I'm executing this example, what is output, sir? The output will be executed as usual. Am I right? Go to the desktop and programs, and you can say any issue. Come again. Good, good, good. Very good. Now, first of all, let me call the functions actually. Sorry, man. Go to desktop. Come back. CD. Yeah, CD desktop. CD programs. Yeah, sir. I hope in your lifetime, first time you are using command prompt and notepad like anything actually. Am I right? Yeah, I hope actually. If you until you bought the laptop, this is the first time you are using laptop. Yeah, good. Now let us execute the example. Please observe this one. No output. Why no output, sir? Can somebody help me? Because just we created a function, we are not calling the function. Good. And let me just try to call this one also. Now just try to say any questions here. Sir, if you are having any questions, I will cry actually. Why? Because we already done this discussion, right? Simple. I created a function and I am calling the function. With what keyword I created actually? Very good. Hold on. Take this one. Now just try to come here. Sir, one important point let me cover. Hey Daniel, can you please prove practically backend Rohit function created? Backend Chiru function is created. Can you prove practically? Let me prove practically. Instead of this one, let us use print actually. Let us use what exactly? Print. Good. Now A equals to 10. A equals to what exactly, sir? 10. Let me print A value. Let me print what exactly? A value. What is output, sir? Can somebody tell me? Output is what exactly? 10 only. Very good. Sir, instead of providing this A variable, just to provide name of the function, just to provide what exactly? Name of the function. Please focus. What I'm doing, I'm just trying to using print statement. Generally, print statement is for printing the name of the variable that we already very well know. Instead of name of the variable, hello Daniel, can I take name of the function? Can I take what exactly? Name of the function. Can I print actually? Sir, you can print, sir. Now let us execute this example. This is seriously interesting. Here you need to focus actually. Whenever you are using def keyword, backend what created, sir? What is the name of the function? Rohit. And this is so and so address in my computer. Address is a different person to person. I'm repeating again. If you are using def keyword, backend one function is created. That to the name. What is the name actually? Rohit actually. Same thing like that. Can I print what exactly? Can somebody help me? Chiru. Very good. Now exactly you will get in a same way. Just try to see, sir. How many functions created actually? Two functions created. What keyword you are using? Def keyword. Hold on. Come back here. In running notes example, all examples you guys need to do practice, please. Now let me show you small cinema, sir. Important actually. Good. Now just try to come here. And I'm creating a function. My function name is Daniel. I'm creating a function. My function name is what exactly? Daniel. Good. Now please understand the syntax actually. I can explain later. Lambda. And here, so x I'm using. X plus 1. X plus what exactly, sir? 1. And next one is, yeah, as of now, let us just try to take. Sir, you know what? I have created a 3 functions. I have created what exactly? 3 functions. First function name is called as a Rohit. Second function name is called as a. Third function name is called as a Daniel. But third function with what keyword I used actually? Yeah, let's do one thing. Now just try to come here. Here instead of Rohit, Chiru, what I need to print, sir? Daniel. Now please focus on this one. This is a bit important actually. Wow, seriously super, sir. Very good actually. First of all, Rohito, it is a function. Chiru, it is a function. And yeah, here function created, but this is not a Daniel function. This is the syntax to create a function. This is the lambda syntax to create a function. Whenever you are using lambda keyword, the first point you need to understand, background function is creating. What is creating actually? Function. Sorry, sir, please. Please be disciplined actually. Requesting again. Okay. I'm sorry for, let me repeat one more time. Whenever you are using lambda keyword, whenever you are using what exactly? Lambda keyword, the background in the sense, backend function is creating. What is creating actually? Function is creating. Let me show you one more thing actually. Now let us just try to come here. Naresh equals to lambda of, x comma y. I will tell you the syntax, please hold on. X plus y. I will tell you the syntax one more time. Now, can somebody help me here? What I need to print actually? Naresh. Now, can somebody help me? How many functions it is creating in backend actually? 4 functions. Yeah, now I need your help actually. Now, can I maintain some distance here actually? Now, look at the output and you can just try to observe this one actually. Very good. Sir, I just need your response actually. First 2 functions names. Tell me actually. Rohit function, Chiru function. Very good. First 2 functions created with what keyword actually? Def keyword. Very good. Now, the later seems to be functions created. I thought like a Daniel function. That is not a Daniel function. That is the lambda function. That is what function actually? Lambda function. And after Daniel lambda function, immediately I created one more function. I thought like that is a Naresh function. That is not a Naresh function. That is what function actually? Lambda function. Now the point you need to understand, if you are using def keyword, function will get name actually. Function will get what exactly? Name. What is the name of this function actually? Rohit. What is the name of the function? Chiru. But if you are using lambda keyword, there is no name. If you are using lambda keyword to create a function, that function is called as a lambda function. That function is called as what exactly? Also called as a anonymous function. Also called as what exactly? Yeah, I will explain the syntax. Don't worry. Hey, Daniel x column x plus 1, lambda x comma y, x plus y. I will explain the syntax. First of all, understand this syntax. Did you understand this, sir? Yeah, good, good. Let us make a note of this one. Yeah. Good. I hope you understand the discussion. Now I will tell you. The very first one I will tell you. The syntax I will explain. The syntax I will explain. And one more time, let me show you one more example. Very good. Very good. Nice response. In front of you, let me write few more functions, sir. You will get a clear picture actually. Come on. DEF, M1, print of, normal function. What function, sir? Normal function. Normal function. And now DEF, M2, M2. And I'm creating one more function. This is just for your revision. Normal function. Now let me create two more functions. Tell me M3 equals to M what exactly? 3 lambda of provide variable actually any variable name x plus 1. Now M4 equals to lambda of, and if you want you can provide y column y plus 2. Anything you can provide, sir. Now print actually. Can somebody help me what I need to print actually? M1. Very good. Next one is a M2. Nice. Next one is a M3, M4. M3, what exactly? M4. Good. Sir, I need a response from you. First, sorry. First, first two functions created with what keyword actually? DF. Next two functions created with lambda. Good. Please, very good. If you catch my point, actually, I'm sure I'm so happy. Let me show you in front of you. Yeah, interesting. What is the first two function names actually? M1, M2. What is the last two functions names? Can I say M3, M4? No. We should not say. The last two functions names are called as a lambda function. What is that one? Also called as a anonymous function. Also called as what exactly? Now I will explain the syntax and purpose. You will get a very clear picture. Till now, you should understand only one point. What is that point? Okay. By using df keyword also we can create a function. By using lambda keyword also we can create what exactly? Function. Did you understand that? Good. Now let us take this one. This is the practical proof. By using lambda, we can create a lambda function. Now let me explain lambda function syntax. What I'm explaining, sir, lambda function syntax. Let me explain very clearly. One minute. Simple, sir. Very simple. As usual, LHS is required. What is required, sir? LHS is required. Next one is a RHS is required. LHS is, just name of the variable. What is that one actually? Name of the variable. Any variable, something like a Daniel, Naresh, A, B, C, D, anything we can provide. Right hand side, what you need to provide, lambda keyword we need to provide. What keyword you need to provide actually? Lambda keyword. After lambda keyword, here you need to provide variables or variable. Here what we need to provide, sir? Variables or variable. With this variable, column symbol is required. Expression is required. Expression with variables. Expression with what exactly? Variable or variables. I will repeat one more time. Here, if you want, let me tell you only, VAR actually. Understand the syntax. LHS equals to what exactly? RHS. LHS means left hand side, provide one variable name. Provide one variable name actually. And RHS side, and what is required, lambda keyword is required. What is required, sir? Lambda. Total 3 parts, boss. Total how many parts? 3 parts. The first part is a keyword. Second part is a variables actually. Either single variable or another variable. And third part will be, expression. Third part will be what exactly? Expression. These three syntax you need to focus. Now let me show a small example. Yes, good. Now let me tell you A equals to lambda. Next one. Let me give variable or variables. Let me show you single variable. Let me take a single variable name is called as a. What is a single variable name? I'm sorry, X actually as of now. X column. Sir, till now we understand one thing. Wherever column came, what is the next line? Except lambda. Except what exactly? For lambda, we should not provide indentation, sir. Till now we habituated one point actually. Those who are all doing practice, they can connect my statement actually, right? Wherever column came, we are habituated to provide the lambda, but don't provide the indentation here actually. Please, I'm requesting. Now here, you need to create a expression with this variable. What do you mean by expression? Variable name plus some math operators required. Yes, exactly. This is the name of the variable plus one I'm adding. Hey, Daniel, can I add two actually? Sir, you can add three also. Nothing is wrong. Can I add five actually? You can add actually. So this is called as a syntax to create a lambda function. This is called as what exactly? Syntax to create a lambda function. Read everyone. Can somebody tell me? Variable equals to lambda variable. Yeah, either variable or variables you can provide. What is this one? Column. Next one is a expression with variables. Good. This is the one example. Let me show you another example. B equals to. Now let me take group of variables. X comma y. How many variables I'm taking, sir? Two variables. Good. If you want, you can separate like this. If you want, you can separate like this so that you can easy to understand. Good. X plus y. X plus what exactly? Y actually. Did you understand? Sir, in previous lambda function, how many variables I'm using? One variable. In this example, how many variables I'm using? Two. Same thing like that. If you want, you can use it. Now, if you understand one syntax actually, can somebody help me? X comma y comma z. What is this one? You know, X plus, tell me, y plus z. Yeah, very good. Now, I hope you understand the syntax. Now, let me bring you into the practical example actually. Are you clear till now? Clear, right, sir? Good. 2 points you need to understand. First one, we can create a function by using lambda keyword. That is the first point. Second point is the syntax you need to understand. Second point is what exactly? Syntax you need to understand. I'm sure, I hope you understand. Am I right or not, sir? Good. Let me show you. A equals to, what is the first one you wanted to see? This one, right? Now, let me show you that. Lambda keyword. And now let me provide, variable. What is a variable, sir? Variable X I have given column symbol. X plus, do let me know what you are providing actually. X plus 5. Cool. Now, please observe this one. Sir, assuming that this is the completely a function. This is what exactly completely function, but what function actually? Lambda function. Now, if you create a function, generally what we need to do? We need to call the function. What we need to do? Until call the function cannot trigger actually. Now, just imagine this is the name of the function. What is the name of the function actually? A. So if A is the name of the function, what you need to do, always follow the syntax. Result equals to A of parenthesis you need to provide. I'm repeating again, assuming that this is the name of the function. This is the lambda function, assuming that. If you wanted to call the lambda function, do these two steps actually. Provide result equals to A of parenthesis. Now here, how many parameters would you have actually? One parameter. This is something like a variable, also called as a parameter. Then how many values you need to pass here actually? One value. Now what I need to print, any idea? Result, very good. Now can somebody talk with me? What is output you are going to get, sir? Very good. Now let us just try to go back and execute this example exactly. Back and what exactly happened, Yeah, X will be captured by 10 value. Where are all X is available? 10 plus 5. What is the result actually? 15. What is the result? 15. Same thing like that. Let me create one more example. Let me create what example? What exactly, sir? One more example. Hold on, please. I just need response from you. Come on. B equals to lambda of how many variables, sir? Two variable X comma Y. X comma what exactly Y? Provide column in a long space actually. This is just for your better understanding. I'm providing this much space actually. Generally, we should not provide, right? X plus Y. Now get ready. This step, can you please help me, sir? Result equals to, tell me, B of parenthesis. Sir, previously, though this is the one variable, one value you are providing. Though this is the one parameter, one value you are providing. Now here, how many parameters actually? Two parameters. Then how many values you need to pass? Two values you need to pass. Now can somebody help me? 10 comma 20. then what exactly happen, 10 will be captured by x, 20 will be captured by y. Where are all x comma y is available? 10 plus 20, what is the result, sir? 30. Now what I need to print actually? Result. Very good. Now let us execute this example. Sir, now let me ask a one interesting question for you. Let me check the response from you actually. Good. Think logically. Think logically. Here I just wanted to provide this name, sir. Here I just wanted to provide what exactly? This name. Right, good. Now whenever I am printing result actually, I need a uppercase letter. I need what exactly? Uppercase letter. Can anyone try this example? Yeah, let us just try to come here. Assuming that x actually. Now here what I need to do, any idea? You're almost very near. Tell me what I need to write? X. Very good, sir. X dot what exactly? Upper only. That's it. Very good. Now execute this example. Yeah, done actually. What exactly happened in a backend? Now B function you are calling and X parameter. For this X, what you are providing, Daniel, where are all X is available, it will behave like a string actually. Though this is the string, over this one you can call what exactly? Upper you can call. Over this one, what we can call? Upper you can call. Now take this example. And I will ask one more question so that I can enter into the theory topic actually. Oh, 11 questions. Good, good. Can I have more than one expression? Sriram, very good. We can have. We can have. As per the requirement, we can do actually. Good. Now let me take a three parameters very quickly so that we can close the discussion. C equals to, tell me, lambda of how many parameters? X comma, Y comma, G. Now column, tell me, X plus Y plus Z. Good. Now result equals to, tell me, C parenthesis, how many values? 10 comma 20 comma 30. Very simple. We are playing with the syntax as of now. I will show you the real-time example during data analysis actually. What is the result, sir? Very good. Oh, seriously, super question, sir. Sriram, sir, very nice question. Very good. What is the question, one of our teammate, he is asking, Are Daniel, what happens if I ignore one of the argument in a lambda expression actually? Good, good. Now just try to come here. Sir, now I'm ignoring this one. But let me tell you, how many parameters would you have actually? Three. Definitely you should pass three values. Definitely you should pass what exactly? Three values. Otherwise, you will get one error. That error is a very common error. Can I show you that error actually? Let us just try to come here. What is the error name, Sir, read this error. What is error? One more time. Last time. Yeah, so I mean to say that how many parameters are available, that many values you need to pass. Otherwise, we'll get a positional argument error. Am I right or not? Just yesterday we covered actually the same example. Okay, take the same thing. Now it's the right time. I need to enter into the topic. Good. I have given almost explanation. Please follow this one. Generally, we can create a normal function by using df keyword. Lambda is a keyword in Python. By using lambda keyword also, we can create a lambda function. Lambda function is also called as what exactly? Come on, theory is very easy for you. A function without a name is called as a, I hope you know the anonymous. The name anonymous means there is no name actually. Right, good. A lambda function will process the input and return what exactly, sir? Result actually. Just try to see. This is the syntax, lambda of arguments list, column, expression. By using lambda function, we can write very concise code so that readability of the program will be improved actually. Now just try to see, sir. Seems to be I have created a lambda function s equals to lambda and a is name of the variable column a star a. Now as per the syntax, result equals to s of parenthesis. Instead of result, I am taking any name of the variable. Any name of the variable. X equals to s of 4. You know, this 4 will be captured by A. 4 into 4, what is the result, sir? 16. 4 into 4, what is the result? 16. Now just try to observe this one. Here, because of the lambda keyword, it creates a anonymous function. It creates what exactly? Anonymous function. Simple difference between normal function and lambda function. Sir, please observe this one. Now, this is, hold on. I would like to say, go back. Let me show you how to create a normal function and how to create a lambda function in a simple way. Now, just try to come here. First one, normal function. Normal function. I mean to say that function with return statement. Function with return keyword actually. Function with what keyword? Return keyword. Just try to see this one. Yeah, absolutely right. What is my name of the function? Tell me. Square. What is my name of the function? Square actually. Move on to the next one. Let me create lambda function. Let me create what exactly, sir? Lambda function. See, the same function I can create in within just a matter of one line actually. I just need your response. Now let us just try to take, let me take this one is a S1 and this one is a S1 actually. Now here I'm taking S2 equals to, sir, exactly in a same syntax I wanted to create. Can somebody help me? What I need to write actually? Lambda. Now here how many parameter you are taking? One parameter. Yes, exactly. Next one is a column. And what is the, expression actually? T star. Yeah, exactly. Now what I need to do? Result equals to, tell me S2 of, and what you are providing here actually, sir? So now just try to come here. Now let us just try to print what exactly? Yes to, am I right? Sorry. Good. Execute this example, please. Same result we are going to get. Yeah, please observe this. Means by using normal function also we are getting the same output. By using what exactly? Lambda function also we are getting same output. It's a right time you need to understand the reality. What is the reality, Sir, if you want, you can call square function one more time. Later, assuming that I have written this function, if I have written this function in my project, another teammate can call this function. In my project, second teammate, he can call this function actually. But once you created a lambda function you cannot call actually. Why? Because that is just for one time uses. To call the lambda function, what is the name actually? There is no name. And here, what is the name actually? Can somebody tell me? Square. If you wanted to call this function, you can call with the square actually. But if you wanted to call the function, no name. That's why you should not call actually. Are you getting everyone? Good, sir. Now just try to come here. Easy, sir. Very easy. Your attention really matters actually. Please walk through the material. Maybe it's the right time. Till now, I'm executing all examples by using what exactly? Notepad. Now, maybe either tomorrow or day after tomorrow, I will enter into one more editor actually. That editor name is a Notepad++. What is the next one? Notepad++. And next one is a PyCharm. Next one is what exactly? PyCharm. Next one is Anaconda. Like this, I will explain one by one so that you can connect actually, right? Good. Notepad++ is one more editor, text editor actually. By using that one also, we can write a Python program. Good, good. Kindly please walk through these all examples, please. In your free time, you can walk through. Let me ask a question, sir. Can somebody tell me how many keywords? Two keywords. What is the first keyword? Next one is the add. Am I right? No, written. How many functions? Two function. What is the first function name? Next one is a add is user defined. Print is predefined. Good. Very good. Nice. Let's move on. Kindly please walk through. So lambda function internally returns expression. We no need to write a return statement. Sir, a return statement we have to write only for def keyword, but not lambda keyword. Return statement, return keyword, we need to write only for def keyword, but not lambda. Actually. We no need to write actually. Now, as I told, there are 2 to 3 interview questions, right? This is the interview question actually. During interview, what they will ask, let me connect with the online team. Any questions? Chandu Prasad. Sir, multiple lines we should not write. Like if it is a very shortest expression, you can go for the lambda function. And Arthi. Sir, can you repeat meaning of anonymous actually? It is not reusable. Not reusable, meaning in the sense, boss. Arati, we cannot call actually. I mean, assuming that we have created this function, my another developer he cannot call actually. The function what we created, another developer in the same team he cannot call actually. Good. If you wanted to know what do you mean by calling, I will explain during module topic actually. All right, come on, let's move to the discussion. Sir, damn sure enter your question. Please focus. What is the point? Where we are using these lambda functions, very, very important. Where we are using these lambda functions, very, very important. Let me tell you. Sir, in Python programming language, there are mainly three popular functions could you have. Three popular lambda functions actually. Three important lambda functions. These three important functions backend it is using the lambda. One of the function name is a map function. One of the function name is what exactly? Takes two parameter. Parameter number one, parameter number two. I'm repeating again. What is the first function name, sir? Can somebody tell me? Map function. And the second function name is a filter. What is the second one? Filter. Again takes two parameter. Can somebody tell me one more time, sir? There are mainly three popular lambda functions who do we have. Three important lambda functions in Python actually. One of the function name is called as a map. Next one is a filter. Next one is what exactly? Reducer. Next one is what exactly? Here also two parameters. Here also what exactly? Two parameters. We can close the discussion. Tell me what is the first one? Map, filter, reduce. First, let me explain map. Sir, Harish sir, I'm sure you are from big data. I will say you are the data analyst. Applies belongs to pandas data frame actually. I mean, I will cover during data frame discussion. Do you understand? Apply is not a function, it is a method actually. Did you got my point, Harish? I will cover during pandas. Your student on. All right, maybe you are joining for revision, I guess. It's okay, cool. Let's move to the discussion. Let's continue. First of all, map is a predefined function. Map is what exactly? Predefined function in Python. Predefined function in Python. Now you need to understand, hey Daniel, what is the purpose actually? If you wanted to understand what is the purpose, definitely few examples explanation is required, sir. Let me take few examples explanation. You will understand very clearly. Now please move to the discussion. Come on. What is the example, Sida? Let us take a prices. Let us take what exactly? Prices. All product prices. 100 rupees, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700 actually. There are total 7 items would you have. There are total in Amazon 7 items would you have. Each item cost will be, first item cost how much is that? 100. Second one, 200. Last one, 700 actually. What exactly happened, in India especially this kind of surprise is very common, but don't take it personally actually. Suddenly our Modi ji will come actually. Am I right or not, sir? Modi ji will come and he will sell buy our behno. Suddenly we are announcing GST. What is that one, sir? What do you mean by GST? Oh, seriously, very good. I am not asking the definition, sir. Let me tell you. For each and every price, let me add GST. Let me add what exactly? I mean to say that, hey man, all companies do one thing. For every item, add +2 as a GST. +2 as what exactly? Now, can somebody tell me what is the final prices, sir? What is the first one? 102. You catch my point. What is the next one? 103. 10. Sorry, man. 203. Tell me. Please. Good. Next one is a 302. I need your help. 402. 502. 602. Next one is a 702. Sir, what exactly happening here? We do have a 7 values. We do have actually how many values? Assuming that 700 values also, nothing is wrong. But what exactly happened, I just wanted to get value. At the same time, I wanted to add one value. I just need a new result. I just need what exactly? I mean to say that 100 became what exactly, sir? 102. 200 became 202. Respectively, what is the last value actually? Then became what exactly? Sir, this we can achieve by using map function. By using what exactly? Map function. Let me show you how it works actually. first of all understand the problem statement and understand the input and output actually. Based on that, you will understand what function we need to use actually. Guys, are you getting? Good. Now let me show you how to execute this example. It's a very simple. Let me show you. If anyone is a fan of Modi ji, I'm sorry. So just for fun, don't take personal action. Now tell me, these are all prices. Prices equals to list of 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700. Like this, any number of values would you have, sir? Now print off what exactly? You can print a prices. Let me know what is output. 100 to 700. Am I right? Sir, what is the data type? How to check actually? Very good. We can check by using, yeah. Now just try to come here, take this one, and you can just try to check it out. Now my requirement will be, what is my requirement? You know, I just wanted to add each value. I just wanted to add what exactly? +2 for everything actually. Do you think +2 we can do actually? No, sir, we should not do actually. We should not do. If you are doing, you will get an error. Hey, just to take that prices, you can add +2. No, sir. If it is that much easy, yeah, can only concatenate what exactly? List. What is error you are getting? Type error. First understand this point. Then what we need to do? You need to extract and you need to add actual. Please, interesting. This example is interesting. Good. Sir, M equals to map. This is the syntax you need to understand. I'm calling a map function. What function I'm calling? Map function. Map function takes a 2 parameters, sir. Map function takes how many parameters? Parameter number 1 and parameter number 2. Remember this formula. Parameter number 2 is always existing sequence object. Always existing what exactly? Something like a for loop actually. Whenever you are talking about the for loop, there is a in keyword. After in keyword, RHS is available. RH value is always what exactly? Sequence object. Same thing like that. I'm going to write a map function. What function I'm writing? Map function takes 2 parameters. Parameter number 1, parameter number 2. Sir, parameter number 2 is always sequence object actually. According to the program, previously we already created a sequence actually. Take the same thing here. Yes, very good. That is a syntax actually. Now, next one is what exactly now? P1. What is the next one? P1 is a lambda function. P1 is what exactly? Here you need to write a lambda function. How easy it is, you know? Lambda function, how to write, sir? Tell me. Lambda keyword. What is required actually? Lambda keyword. And here what is required? Variable. Very good. Next one is a column. Next one is a X. Any idea? Very good. Done, sir. That's it actually. That's it. It is done. Now just try to come here and you can print what exactly? Yeah, you can print what exactly? In a one line we implemented actually. In a one line we implemented. Now let us just try to execute this example. Now just try to see. Can I hit enter button? Are you ready? Good. What happened? Lambda. Okay. LAMBDA. Okay. Okay. Good. Are you ready at least now? Can I hit enter button? Small catch you need to understand. What is the point, you know? Sir, map function return map object. Generally, what is output we are expecting? Tell me. 102, 202, 302, and keep on what exactly? 702. But what happens, you know? Map function takes each and every value. It performs operation. And how it performs operation, you know, in a first step, you know, map function will talk with these prices actually. Prices means would have all these value. From these prices, first value will be captured by lambda function. What is the first value? 100. 100 will become what exactly? 100 plus 2. What is the result actually? 1 or 2 will be stored in M. Same thing like that from the prices. What is the next value? 200. X will be captured by 200. 200 plus 2, what exactly? 202. So respectively till to the last 7 values, all 7 values, but one small catch. What is the point, you know? Map function cannot return the result directly. Map function returns map object. Map function returns what exactly? Map object. Let me print that one. You can just try to get this one actually. Okay. This point you need to understand. You can apply map function, but map function, what it is giving, you know what? Beside of this object, result is available. But if you are calling to the client, hey, client, come here actually. Here 102, 103 is available means client will fire actually. Are you getting? Why? Because client ultimately need the result actually. Then what we need to do, you know? Same object, We just need to convert into one function. Function name is called as a list actually. Function name is called as what exactly? Wow, seriously, very good. I mean to say that map function is returning map object. Map function returning what exactly, sir? Map object. Map object we cannot understand actually. Convert that map object into list data structure. Convert that map object into what exactly? Are you getting your one? It's a very simple, right? Instead of writing inside of this one, what I can write, result equals to, can somebody help me, sir? List of M. List of what exactly? M. Now here I would like to print M and list of M. I'm sure, I hope you understand. I will explain something went wrong. Here what I need to print, sir? Result actually. Am I right? Result. Here let me, 1 minute. Let me just try to print first to let me print M actually and let me print a result. All right, just try to see the output actually. Exactly. And at the same time, can I print the prices also? Can I print what exactly? Prices. Now, sir, according to the output and input actually, now this is the input we have given to the map function, but map function is giving object, map object as a result actually. But who want map object? I need again the understanding values actually. That map object we need to convert into list data structure. If you wanted to convert into list data structure, there is a one predefined function in Python. That function name is called as a list. That function name is called as what exactly? You may ask, can I give a tuple, set a dictionary? Later I will discuss. First of all, understand the topic actually. Did you understand, sir? Good. If you understand, I will ask one question. Get ready. I have one question. I'm sure, I hope you understand. But anyway, for your better understanding, I wanted to repeat the total example one more time. Please focus. Prices equals to 100, 200, 300, 400. I need your help actually. Tell me. M equals to map. How many parameters? Sir, if you understand, you have to respond. How many parameters? Two. First one is a P1, P2. P2 is always what exactly? Sequence object. What is the sequence object here? Prices. Very good. And P1 is always what exactly? Lambda function. What is that one? Lambda function. Lambda function. According to the lambda function syntax, lambda keyword. And what is the next one? Variable is required. Let me take variable name is called as a some X actually. Otherwise P. Any variable name you can provide. After name of the variable, what is required actually? Column. Sir, wherever column, go to the next line and indentation. Will you provide actually? No, sir, we should not provide. Except lambda actually. Come on here. Then what you need to provide actually here? Can somebody help me? P plus, what is the result? 2. Can I provide 3? Can I provide 4? Sir, up to you. You can do actually. Done. The task is done. Now just try to come here. Let me print M actually. Do you think we are going to get the final result actually? No. What is output you are going to get? Map object. One more time. Last time. Exactly. But hey, Daniel, I don't want map object, Daniel. I just need a list data structure. I just need a understandable output actually. If you need understandable output, what we need to do, just try to come here, convert this one into what exactly? List to data structure. List is a predefined function in Python. By using that one, we can convert map object into list object. List is a predefined function in Python. By using list function, we can convert map object into list data structure. Sir, did you understand? Good. Now let me ask you one question. Get ready. What is the question I'm going to ask you now? We'll see how good you are actually. Let us take in names. Hold on, please. Naresh, Daniel, Sunil, Prabhas actually. Prabhas. Good. Sir, when the movie released actually? 22nd, right? Huh? Are you ready? I'm just kidding. Right, good. I just need an output actually. I'm just kidding. Please don't take, now I just need an output. Naresh, next one is Daniel, next one is Sunil, next one is Prabhas. Get ready. I hope you understand what to do. Can somebody help me how to implement by using map? By using what exactly? Map actually. Can you help me how to implement actually? Come on, let us just try to come here actually. First, let us take in names. These are all names we are taking. Very good. I am writing a program here. Tell me what I need to write here, sir. M equals to map of how many parameters? Very good, sir. You're almost very near. P1 comma P2. P2 is always sequence. Sequence, what is a sequence? Names, very good. Here, what we need to write? Lambda of, now the game start actually. What we need to provide, sir? X. Column, very good. X dot, one more time. One more time. Yeah, X dot upper actually. Done. Very good. You got my point actually. Now let us just try to print what exactly, M. Instead of M, what I need to print? List of M. And at the same time, let me print normal names also. Very good, sir. I hope you got it point actually. Come here and execute actually. Wow. Exactly. Very good. But let me guide you in a small notation. Instead of taking here X actually, though this is a sequence, right? Unique, this is the plural. Let me take always singular here actually. Name dot upper. That is seriously super. Am I right? I mean to say that map lambda of from the names. Let me take a one name. What is a one name, sir? Naresh. Respectively apply the operation store inside of this one actually. Are you getting your one? Something like that we can take. That is a good notation, right? Now, previously one student asked a question. Good question. What is the question? Array Daniel, if it is a list to data structure, I know very well till now I understand no one point actually. We need to use a for loop. We need to use what exactly? For loop to iterate each and every value. To iterate what exactly? Each and every value. Sir, you know what? Map function backend inbuilt, it is having the for loop. It is having what exactly? See, nowhere else for loop is available, but still the map function is capable to iterate all, each and every value actually. Did you understand that point? I hope you understand, sir. Good. Now take the same example. Just try to come here. Yeah, I already written. Very good, sir. I'm sure you understand the map function. Next one will be, are we doing list typecasting to the map object? Srikant, yes, we are doing in the same way like a typecasting. Harish, good response. Divya, good response. All right, let's move to the next discussion. Yeah, I'm sure we done the map function. Now it's the right time. We need to understand one more function actually. What is that function? Any idea? Filter function. What is the function actually? Filter. Filter. Seems to be taking a lot of time. It is okay. So now let me tell you what do you mean by filter. We do have a values. We do have what exactly? Values equals to kind of some 100, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Very good. But what is the result I'm expecting, I just need only result 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 only. I mean to say that we do have a group of values. We do have what exactly, sir? Group of value. I just need, according to this discussion, I hope you already understand, less than 60 values I wanted to print. What is the less than 60 values, sir? Do let me know. 10 to 50. Am I right? Now just try to come here. What is the condition here? The condition is value less than 60. Value less than what exactly? Sir, this we can achieve by using filter. By using what exactly? Filter function. Now let me show you how to apply actually. How to apply, let me show you. Take the same name of the variable. Please hold on. Now just I need a response. F equal to filter object. As usual, how many parameters? Two parameters. What is the first one? P1 comma P2. Sir, response, sir. What is the first one? P1 comma P2. P2 is always sequence object. What is the sequence object here? Yeah, values actually. Now just try to come here, values. What is the P1? Yeah, very good. Lambda. And sir, let us take any variable. What is the variable name as of now? X. I hope you all, yeah, value. Yeah, very good, value. Value. And a column. And here you need to take expression, right? That expression should be value less than 60. That's it. Value. Previously, you apply aggregate operator. Aggregate operator means plus, minus, multiplication. These are all called as a aggregate operator. Whenever, sir, the name itself is talking filter. Filter means definitely condition is required. What is required actually? Don't ask what is the condition. We already done actually during relational operator, right? In Python programming language, we can create a condition by using what operator actually? Relational operator. By using what operator? Relational operator. Good. Now, one more small surprise. What is a small surprise, you know? Let me just try to print F also. Let me just try to print what exactly? F also. Anyone guess actually what is output you are going to get? Yeah, very good. Previously, map function is returning map object. Now, filter function is returning filter object. I don't want filter object. I need a result. What I need to do? Very good. Now, just try to come here and list of F you need to provide. Now, check it the result actually. Very good, sir. I hope you got it actually. Very easy. Is it easy? Just, follow the syntax, sir. Follow the syntax, please. Yeah. So, if I done the next example, we can close this chapter. The same time, can I apply, greater than also? You can still apply greater than. Then what is the result you are going to get, 70, 80, 90? Yeah, very good. Take this example. You can apply, sir. If you understand one syntax, you can apply actually. All right, let's just try to see lambda function, variables, expression. Variables and expression, what exactly? Expression. Good. Now, the last function name is called as a reduce. What is the last function name? Reduce. Let me tell you, this we are not using in real time, but this is important for interview. This is what exactly, sir, important for interview. For this one more alternative function we do have in a Python. One more alternative function name is called as a sum. One more alternative function name is called as what exactly? Sum actually. I hope you already know the sum, but let me repeat one more time. Sir, what sum function is doing, same function will be done by reduce. What sum function will do, sum of all values. Same function, reduce function also will do. The same functionality reduce also will do. First of all, let me show you. Let us take a values equals to 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So assuming that this is the today total business actually. I mean to say the total prices, product prices actually. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500. Hey, I just need a total, sir. I just need what exactly? Total. It's a very simple. If you need a total, what we need to do, just try to come here. Sum of what we need to provide, sir? Prices. As simple as that. Now execute this example. Just try to say you are going to get the result actually. Very simple. Come again. What happened? Oh, sorry, sir. Sorry, sir. Total. Okay, good. Now let's continue the discussion. What is the result actually? Total 1500. Good. If you want, you can take this one and you can just try to cut this one. And here you can assign to one variable. Result equals to sum of this one. Here, what I need to print actually? Result. Good. Now let us execute this example. Yeah. Now take this example. Just try to come here. Now, because of this one, reduce function we are not using in a real time. I mean to say that anyway, some function is doing already activity. Reduce we are not doing. But let me explain how reduce function will work. Are you getting actually? Good. Let me help you. 1 minute. Let me talk with online team. Online team, can I get a response? Let us continue, please. Now I'm talking about the, I hope I already put the heading. Let us take the values. What is the function we are using actually? Tell me. Reduce actually. Good. R equals to reduce function. What function? Reduce function. As usual. How many parameters? What is the first one? P1. Next one is a P2. Sir, P2 is always what exactly? Yeah, sequence object. According to the discussion, what is a sequence object? Yeah, here is a sequence object we need to write. According to the sequence, prices is the sequence object actually. Now here, P1 is what exactly? Lambda function. Listen carefully. Whenever you are talking about the reduce function, behind of this one, we need to write a lambda function. What we need to write, sir? Lambda function. Lambda function with two parameters we need to write actually. Two variables is required. Why two variables, I just wanted to sum up the values. If you wanted to sum, two variables required. Something like a x plus y. What is required actually? X plus y. Now, according to the discussion, can somebody help me? Lambda, tell me x comma y column. Tell me, sir, x plus y. That's it. Now let us just try to print exactly or actually print what exactly or. Sir, damn sure interview question. Get ready. What is output you are going to get? Any idea? Reduce object. You are expecting reduce object, right? But let me tell you, you guys are going to get a error. That error name is called as a name error. What is that error name, sir? Actually, name error. Can somebody tell me the name error is what is this one? Reduce. Important interview question. What is important interview question? You know, let me tell you. Till now, I covered three functions. What is the first one actually? Map function, filter function. Next one is reduce function. Sir, you know what? This is the by default available. Default it is available. By default it is available. But whenever you're talking about the reduce, it is not by default. It is not what exactly? By default. We need to import from the module. We need to import this function from module. From what exactly, sir? Module. I will tell you what is a module. I mean to say that it is not like a by default print function we can access directly. By default type function we can access directly. It is not by default. But map function by default you can access actually. Filter function by default you can access. Reduce function is not like that. If you wanted to work with reduce function, that you can get from one module. That you can get from what exactly? How to get, what to get, I can cover actually. That is the next topic. What is the next topic? You know, keep in mind that. And the topic name is a module. What is the topic name? There I will explain how to import actually. But you know, let me write the example directly actually. Now just try to come here. I'm accessing from, there is a module. Module name is called as a functools functools import reduce. Done, sir. Your task is done. And one more important discussion. What is important discussion? You know, map function returns map object. Filter function returns filter object actually. But reduce function directly return the value. Directly written what exactly, sir? Value. Why? Because reduce function is a single value. Reduce function is what exactly? Single value. We no need to convert into list data structure. Map function, group of value, we need to convert into list data structure. Filter function, group of value, we need to convert into list data structure. But reduce function is not like a group of value. It is a single value. It is what exactly, sir? That's what directly it returns actually, right? As of now, you please ignore what is a from and what is the import actually. If you want, let me open the material. Document name is a module actually. I'm sure here you can easy to understand. Now just try to come to the discussion. Can somebody read what is this one, sir? From and what exactly? Import keyword. In next module, I will cover what is a from and import keyword actually. As of now, you can ignore the discussion. Did you understand? I hope you're getting. I thought this I can close within 30 minutes. It's okay, cool. Now let me read the theory. Sir, this we are not using in real time. Instead of this one, would you have an alternative? What is that alternative actually? Any idea? Some actually. Very good. Now go back, read the theory. All right. Now, map is a predefined function in Python. This function takes iterable object. Iterable is also called as a sequence object. Iterable also called as what exactly? Sequence. And apply logic on each and every item, each and every value, and returns new sequence object. And returns what exactly? New sequence object. This is the syntax. Without GST, this is with the GST. I hope you understand this example. Move on to the next example. Filter. Filter is a predefined function in Python. This function takes a sequence object and apply what logic actually? Filtering logic. Then definitely condition is required. What is required, sir? Condition is required. All right. And kindly please move on to the discussion. Next one is a reduce function. What is the next one? Reduce function. So reduce function you cannot access directly. You have to access from one module. That module name is called as a func tools actually. Very good. So I hope you're done. Uh, this is the topic actually. Important, sir. Part number 2 is important actually. In a part number 2, what all things I covered, you know, will start. The module topic also will start actually. Functions, part number 2. In a functions part number 2, I covered these are all stuff. What I have called, you know, types of arguments. Types of what exactly? Arguments. What is the first one? Positional argument. Second one is a keyword arguments. And third one is default argument. Very good. Thank you. And the fourth one is a variable length argument, also called as a star args. Actually, instead of star args, you can give any variable name. Instead of a, b, c, anything you can give. And later I have explained about lambda function. What I have covered, sir? Lambda function. What is a lambda function? These are all things I have explained actually. I'm sure you understand the discussion. Hold on. Once we understand this one, then immediately three functions I covered actually. What is the first function name? Map function. Here is a lambda function actually, lambda, and here is a sequence object. And the next one is what exactly, sir? Filter. Next one is a sequence object. 3, reduce. Here also lambda function, comma sequence. All right, we done for this topic actually. Can I start new topic? Yeah, good. Now the next topic name is a, let me change the status, go back. Sir, in this running notes also, kindly please execute these are all examples. You will understand a lot actually. I would like to say we done this topic. Now I would like to say this is the running topic. The next one is a package. What is the next one, sir? Package. This leave it blank actually. I can cover later. Now the next topic is the most important topic. Very, very important, sir. Please focus. What is the next topic? You know, list to data structure. What is the next topic actually? Am I right? I know list data structure. Yeah, exactly. Why? Because I had written, I know very well the pattern will be. Now this is the upcoming topic. Damn sure tomorrow we are going to start list data structure, upcoming topic. And respectively list tuple data structure, set data structure, dictionary, these are all it will goes actually. We are almost very near to close the Python. Yeah, now let me start the topic name. Topic name is called as what exactly? Module. Let me give a small kick introduction so that tomorrow I can continue the topic, sir. Please focus on this. Good. I will tell you what is a module actually. Please focus on this one. Sir, till now, we are writing a Python program. We are writing what exactly? Python programs. Am I right? How we are saving Python program? How we are saving actually? Any idea, sir? Tell me. Tell me. Demo1.py, demo2.py. Next one is a demo3.py. Respectively, like this we are saving. Am I right? Good. Now let me tell you. In Python, you know what? Demo1.py in general terminology, this is called as a program. That is called as what exactly? Sir, but in real time terminology, demo1.py is called as a module. Is called as what exactly? Module. So called what are all programs? Demo1 is a program. Demo2.py is a program. Demo3.py is a program. That is for your better understanding. I'm talking like a program. But once you get a job actually, you should not call that is a program. You have to call that is a module. One more time. Last time. Let me prove practically. If I prove practically, you will understand very clearly. Hold on. Sir, I need your help actually. Now just try to execute this example, please. Focus on this. Let me prove practically. Print off. And here let me write hello. Let me write what exactly, sir? Hello. What is output actually? Tell me. So the program is a valid. We are going to get what exactly? Hello. And this is what exactly, sir? Program. As we know what exactly? Program. Come here. Just to change this one actually. Now, whenever you are changing, what is output actually? Tell me. Name error. Now execute this example. Sir, focus on this one. Today, ignore this focus actually. What is the program you are running? Do let me know. Demo1.py. Sir, you know what? Demo1.py is called as a module. What is that one? Module. So that point you need to understand. So that today topic will be, mean to say that maybe tomorrow I'm going to start. Whenever you are writing a program, that program name is called as a module. That program name is called as what exactly? Module. That point you need to understand, sir. Right. Now take the same example here. This is the practical proof actually. Can, if anyone is asking, can you please prove, practically a program is called as a module? We can prove actually, right? Exactly. By looking at this one, you can prove actually. I mean to say that let us just try to maintain, like this. Then this is called as a module, sir. What is this one? Module. Good. Now conclusion of the story. A written Python program demo1.py is called as what exactly, sir? Program, also called as a module. Also called as what exactly? Module. Good. Sir, whenever you, yeah, the topic name is also called as a module. Whenever you are learning the module topic actually, yeah, please focus on this one. Every chapter has its own purpose. Can somebody help me? Whenever you are learning the flow control chapter, what are all keywords we learn, sir? Tell me. If, else, elif, next one is for, while, next one, break, continue, pass. Very good. I mean to say that whenever you are learning the flow control chapter, we learned these are all keywords. If, else, elif, for, while, break, continue, pass. Same thing like that. Whenever you are learning module topic, three keywords we are going to learn. How many keywords actually? Three keywords. What are those keywords? From, import, from, as. First one is the import. Next one is a from. Next one is what exactly? As actual. Very good. These three keywords I'm going to explain tomorrow actually. Right? Explanation about these keywords exactly takes a 30 minutes discussion, sir. How long time actually? 30 minutes. Once we done the 30 minutes, immediately we are entering into the new. But tomorrow this discussion is a very, very important. Why? Because in every real-time project we are using these keywords actually. See, just previously we used two keywords actually. Did you remember? From func tools, import, reduce function I imported actually. What is the from? What is the import? How it works actually? Step by step I will explain tomorrow. Are you getting your one? Yeah. So let me close the today discussion. This will continue tomorrow. We will continue tomorrow. Sriram, what is your question? Kindly repeat again. What is your question? Seems to, I'm sorry, I have missed out due to, session actually. Okay. Continue. Is it the same question? Meanwhile, let me upload the material. Uh, Correct me if I'm wrong. If my understanding is wrong, actually, correct me, right? And lambda. Okay, very good. LAMDA. Good, good. So Daniel equals to lambda x of x plus 1. What happens if I ignore one of the argument in lambda function? Still, more clarity is required in your question actually. You mean to say there are two arguments actually, x comma y, but here you are using only x plus y. Is it your question actually? All right. We can ignore actually. But generally speaking, if you are using this one, then definitely, sir, we have to reuse actually. Now result equals to execute this function, what we need to do, 10 comma 20 we need to provide. But whenever you are printing the result, can somebody help me? What is output you are going to get? What is output, sir? Any idea? 11. No doubt at all actually. Right, good. Now let us take this example. If you want, you can execute. I cannot say good question. Why? Because, whenever you are taking the parameter, definitely you have to use that parameter actually. If you are not using parameter, then no need to pass the parameter actually. I'm sure this example is a valid, but not recommended. Then what is the use of 5 actually? What is the use of 20? Did you understand? Can I get a response? Sriram, did you understand? I answered your question, I guess. All right, let's move. All right, come here. Let me upload. I hope I uploaded material, and let me upload upcoming. Yeah, yeah. Let me upload functions too, I guess. Yeah. Sir, I'm sorry, management is not allowing to communicate over WhatsApp group actually. I don't know what might be the reason. Maybe some terms and condition. Kindly please available only in Telegram actually. Please, I'm requesting. I kind request actually. 7:30 Python. Hey, not 7:30. Sorry. Hold on, please. 5:30. 5:30. Go back and running notes. All right. So we're done for today's session. Thank you for attending. Don't miss tomorrow's session. Thank you, sir. Thank you, everyone. Tomorrow I can repeat actually. Somebody is asking, can you repeat one more time? Tomorrow I can explain, sir, please.